this exhibition is called Us Here Now, and it was an exhibition that originally was exhibited on an abandoned wall in St Mellons. What we wanted to do with this project was remind our community of the power that they had. It's about capturing the spirit of a community that is really actually strong and resilient and so much more than a label or a word.
I think what's interesting for me is seeing it in this space. It's a very different space to where we originally showed it. And it's important to see communities like this within and reflected within buildings like this, because that's where democracy lies, is with the people.
This exhibition looks directly opposite the Senedd. What we hope that achieves is for people who do have power to come and think about accountability and who they represent and how they represent them. Some of the people you'll see on the wall today we've lost. Some have have moved on and had different parts of their lives have shifted and changed.
I did the portrait of Ocean over there, which was one of the last shots I did of the day. But it was really memorable because she was just stood apart from everyone else having a drink of lemonade, and I just thought it was a really striking image.
It's such a powerful portrayal of what it means to be working class, to be human and to be powerful. So hopefully people will leave feeling really good and really owning those stories of who they are and where they come from.